everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am back with a new project using the amazing Midnight Potions paper that is exclusive to Country Craft Creations. I did use the 8x8 for this because I really love the 8x8 papers that are available for the different paper lines that have come out. So this was something that I kind of had come up with and was really kind of winging it as I did this. So the tutorial is going to need a whole bunch of editing. But what I have done is a shadow box that is also a box for an album. So I thought about doing this as kind of a shaker and decided against it. I've got a bunch of different elements in there. Unfortunately, a lot of it is out of my stash. I apologize. There are a number of Tim Holtz things in here, so like the little cauldron, the candlestick holder, the two metal charms in there, the headstones, some of the bottles, and I'm not sure if those were available again this year. I think they were. If they are, I will of course link them on Country Craft Creations, but I have quite the stash of Tim Holtz and different Halloween pieces and parts that I do like to use that, I only get to use it once a year, so why not? So the project is about 6x8, about 3.5 inches high, and the lid comes off, and then there's a box down here underneath. It is set so that the box depth itself, once you take that shadow box lid off, is about 1.5 inches. I will be doing a tutorial for a folio or something that's going to go inside that, but that's going to be a few days out. So, and my cauldron has come loose right there, and I'm not sure how I'm going to fix this short of tearing this all completely apart. So, that kind of like was not a good thing here. And apparently I ended up recording most of this with no sound, which is part of why the editing is going to take a while. So as always, thank you for watching. I will be back in a couple of days with the tutorial for this project, and I'll see you then. Thanks. Bye.